We're gonna do the try not to laugh challenge. Clay's gonna make me
laugh.
Okay, ready?
Oh, I'm supposed to talk, so I wouldn't have water in my mouth. That makes sense. Okay, this is gonna be so easy because Lauren laughs at actually everything. I thought I could get. You're supposed to spit it in my face. She actually threw up. Challenge gone wrong. She threw up.
I'm okay. This is just a dangerous game. Okay, so now it's Clay's turn. I'm gonna make Clay laugh.
She's not gonna make me laugh.
Open the pickle. Tickle, tickle. I don't know how else to do it. Does that count?
What do you think? She just squeezed my cheeks. No, you didn't make me laugh. That was terrible. Make me laugh again.
Okay.
I drank that. I didn't put enough water. I was thirsty.
Ben Pearl is so hot. But that would get you. You had to go so much water still in your mouth. You only spit so much.
I don't understand this challenge.
It's more fun to spit the water.
Yeah, it's just a free pass to spit water at someone.
Okay, my turn.
You're so soaked. I don't like this game. No, I'm not even gonna say anything. You just spit it in my face.
Ooh, they got it choke this time.
I spit way more water on you.
Yeah, and I threw up, so.
I think I do win.
Okay, let me try again.
No, we're done with this. No more. So wet. My favorite sweatshirt. My calf sweatshirt. Free promotion. Go buy our sweatshirt. Support our dog. Go to thefratdog.teespring.com. I think that's the domain. Link will be in description to buy this sweet sweatshirt. You're dripping, like. I'm changing, dude. This is gross.
Okay, bye guys. This was so much fun.
Signing off.